BJP candidate Ranabir Debbarma spearheaded a high-decibel roadshow and rally today. The event, which transitioned from an intensive door-to-door outreach to a sprawling rally through Rajchantai and the Bodhjungnagar-Wakkinagar area. The event was attended by Chief Minister Prof.Dr.Manik Saha, Minister Ratan Lal Nath and other members. With the autonomous district council elections just days away, the political landscape in Tripura is witnessing a surge in high-profile activity. On Thursday, BJP candidate Ranabir Debbarma, representing the 14th Bodhjungnagar-Wakkinagar constituency, spearheaded with an intensive door-to-door campaign, followed by a grand road show that stretched from Rajchantai to the heart of Bodhjungnagar-Wakkinagar area to consolidate voter support ahead of the April 12 polls. The rally served as a platform for the party to demonstrate its grassroots connectivity and organizational muscle. During a high-octane campaign rally in the 14th Bodhjungnagar-Wakkinagar constituency, Chief Minister Prof.Dr.Manik Saha delivered a comprehensive vision for the socio-economic transformation of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council.
পুরো 28টার মধ্যে আমরা প্রতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা করছি মানুষের বিরাট একটা সারা আমি দেখছি তো আমরা আশা করছি যে এবার যেটা আমি আগেও বলেছি এবার ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির যে সরকার এবার বিকশিত হবে এবং ট্রিপল ইঞ্জিনের সরকার হতে যাবে।
The event was attended by Chief Minister Prof.Dr.Manik Saha, Minister Ratan Lal Nath and other members. Reported by Samir from Rajchantai, Chini, Khorang.